Ever felt like you just don't have the presence? Like people overlook you? Well, here's the thing. People form their first impression of you in just 7 seconds. That's faster than you can say, "Hey, I'm awesome." But don't worry. Today, we'll break down how to project confidence that turns heads, even if you're not feeling it. And yes, it's okay to laugh along the way. Let's face it, we've all had those moments. You walk into a room, trip over nothing, and think, "Great, now everyone thinks I'm a mess." But here's the secret. Confidence isn't about never messing up. It's about owning your presence, no matter what. Let's break it down into 5 fun and easy steps. The way you stand can say, "I'm in charge," or "Please don't notice me." Slouching? Nope. Standing like a statue? Also nope. Instead, keep your feet shoulder width apart, shoulders back, and chest up. Think Superman, but less dramatic. And if you need an instant boost, try the power pose. Hands on your hips, elbows out. Bonus points if you feel like a boss while doing it. Your walk is your silent introduction. Shuffling like a penguin, not ideal. Walking like you're late to the most important meeting of your life. Now we're talking. Keep your head up, chin parallel to the floor, and take smooth, purposeful strides. Oh, and swing those arms naturally. Trust me, no one looks cool with their hands jammed in their pockets. Sitting might seem simple, but it's a power move if done right. Don't shrink into your chair like it might eat you. Instead, take up space. Sit with your legs and arms slightly apart. Want to cross your legs? Go for it. Just do it with style. Sit upright, but relaxed. Think of yourself as the king or queen of your own tiny throne. Your hands are like your backup singers. They can amplify your message or steal the spotlight. Use small gestures to emphasize key points and go big when talking about grand ideas. For example, counting on your fingers. Perfect for making things clear. Just don't wave them around like you're swatting flies. Confidence isn't about being perfect. It's about owning your space, your movements, and yes, even your awkward moments. Remember, it's the little things. How you stand, walk, sit, gesture, and smile that can make a big difference. If this video made you laugh, think, or feel a bit more confident, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share it with someone who needs a boost. Thanks for watching, and keep rocking that confidence.